Hey, my name's Gage, and this is
I'm Owen, and we're at Ski Sawmill, and we're walking to the costume contest. You can see I'm Dash, and he's a soccer player. As you can see, there's some people snowboarding.
Yeah, that's gonna be me today, guys.
No, you're skiing.
Yeah.
You're skiing.
That's gonna be me.
Nope, you're skiing.
Yeah, ski, but I can still do jump.
Okay. First, we're gonna go tubing, and then we're gonna go skiing.
I done the other one. We are gonna go to the costume party right
The lift just started running.
like an hour ago.
Yeah.
We're gonna see if we can win the contest for the second year in a row. Costume contest.
And then you can get a shirt, their merch, anything. And last year I won the contest and I got a shirt. I'll tell you guys later when we win the contest. We are walking in. A lot of people here.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Love it. Pressure.
Yeah, Gage, way to go, Gage.
He's got it like full on there.
Give thumbs up. You won, dude.
Give it one. Right here, and I'm going to find
What just happened? Tell me.
Gage won the contest.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
Okay, we're getting set for day 2 of the costume competition. It's Sawmill Family Resort.
The Sawmill Mountain Resort.
Woo! Winner.
These 5 are going to get t-shirts.
You'll grow into it, bud. You want that one? Here, hold it up. Let me see it.